How to fix Instagram double tap not working problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Instagram double tap is not working. Now, without any further ado, let's get started. First solution is that you need to go ahead and update your Instagram app. In order to update it, you need to head over to your app store. Once you are here, you need to tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner. Then you need to scroll down until you find Instagram. Once you find Instagram, you need to tap on it in order to open it. And if there is an update available, you need to simply go ahead and update the app. Now, once you have done it, this might help you solve the problem. But if it still does not solve the problem, you need to go to your settings. Now that you're in the settings, you need to scroll down and tap on General. From here, you need to go ahead and tap on iPhone storage. Then you need to scroll down and find Instagram. Once you do that, you need to simply go ahead and tap on that. And from here, you can see an option that says offload app. You can simply go ahead and tap on offload. And once you have offloaded the app, you can go to your app store and then download the app again. This might help you solve the problem. But if that does not work, you need to long hold on your home screen until all the app starts jiggling. Now you need to simply tap on Instagram, and from here you need to go ahead and delete the app. And once you have done that, you need to go ahead and reinstall the app again. And that's it. I hope these solutions work for you. If you find this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.